Okay, so this is part 3 of the Christmas ornaments that I made. I made them for either 2025 or 2026, and this is how they turned out. I used stencils, pipe cleaner glitter stick things for 97 cents each. The stencils cost about $4, and then I used acrylic paint. I probably should have used fabric paint, but I don't know, I wanted the glitter. So then I got gold and green. And these are the ones that I haven't cut out yet. But I'm gonna cut them out. I also might make these into put on the back of them with glitter 2025 or 2026. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way they turned out. And they only cost me to make 25 of these, or actually 30 to 44. It costs $44 or $20.